Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik with RazorEmporium.com to introduce a new brand of shaving supplies for the Emporium, Fine Accoutrements. Very excited to have this brand here. I think the founder had a kind of similar story to me. He read an article that was really popular in 2005 about the resurgence of wet shaving and got into making his own line of aftershaves. He liked it so much he wanted to share it with friends and family, and the brand Fine was born. And not only do they have aftershaves, but now many other matching razor accessories. They have soap, shaving soap of course, in many different formats, different scents, and they have brushes, and they even have some other items like safety razors and other products now coming out. Yeah, I think even ties they sell. But we're here today to talk about some of the products we've picked up. A whole myriad of different scents: Italian citrus, American blend, L'Orange Noir. But regardless of which scent you're going to pick, you can be assured that these are high quality made products. The soaps are made in the Netherlands, and they're triple milled, tallow based, meaning they're going to love water. So as they say, it packs more of a punch. So this 3.5 ounces, because it's been triple milled, may actually perform as if it was more soap, just because it's going to be so dense and so loving of water. The balms and splashes are made in the USA, so that's pretty cool. And I just got done using the Platinum balm, and this is really super nice. It has a menthol, chamomile, vitamin E, and lastly, witch hazel. I knew I forgot one. But couldn't be happier to have the brand here. I love the packaging. I love the kind of the story of the brand. I love the price point. I think it's a great value. They've now become a staple of the wet shaving world, and we want you, our customers, to experience this product range. So give them a shot, and I'm going to do just that right now. We're going to take our tried and true boar hair brush. Now, I know they have their own brush, and I just used it in one of the other shaves. We're going to use the boar hair just to keep all of these consistent. Whenever I do the lathers at the table here, at the desk I should say, I always use this trusty old boar hair brush, just so we're not kind of evaluating one brush performance over another. We're just evaluating the soap every time. And I'm just going to show you how fast and easily this guy makes a lather. You're already seeing this thing is jumping to life. And I do need my towel, trusty towel, and my trusty mirror so I can actually see what's going on. Let's start. Build up a little more product here. Yeah, there we go. Let her rip. Very dense. And I put like a sopping wet boar brush in here, so it doesn't seem to be too overhydrated. The smell is so great. This Platinum has a really kind of crisp, clean, modern scent. I think if you want something that doesn't smell like a stick of deodorant, but still smells modern and clean, and your girlfriend's probably, or wife, or whoever is going to really like, because after all, that's what we're doing this for, right? I think the Platinum's a great scent. I think the American Blend is their most kind of popular, kind of their barbershop, real traditional scent. I love the citrus one too. I took one of those home. Love citrus aftershaves and soaps. But yeah, look at this. I had a completely dry face, and I had a sopping brush, and with very little effort, I generated a pretty nice whipped cream consistency lather. When I say whipped cream, it's got that squishy feel to it, and I did use it earlier. Super slick, comforting, soft, all the great things you want in a lather. So I couldn't be happier with Fine Accoutrements, and we're thrilled to have them here at our store for you, our customer. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things wet shaving.